Are you in search of a robust and versatile mounting solution for your solar project on a flat roof? Look no further than MG Solar, your trusted partner for flat roof solar mounting systems. Crafted from durable aluminium 6005 T5, our roof mount strikes the perfect balance between lightness and strength, boasting high resistance to corrosion. It's designed to withstand challenging conditions with the ability to endure wind speeds of up to 60 metres per second and heavy snow loads of up to 1.4 kilonewtons per square metre. Engineered for optimal power production, our mounting system ensures your solar modules harness maximum energy from the sun. With a landscape orientation, it maximises energy capture, offering versatility in tilt angles ranging from 5 to 30 degrees. Whether you prefer fixed or adjustable angles, our system provides flexibility in design. Our roof mount is non-penetrating, preserving the integrity of your roofing structure. Installation is a breeze with pre-assembled parts, and its railless design not only simplifies installation but also enhances aesthetic appeal. We take pride in the quality of our product, backing it with a solid 12-year warranty. MG Solar, ranked among China's top 10 solar mounting system suppliers, is committed to delivering cost-effective products that consistently meet the highest standards. Trust us for a reliable and efficient solar mounting solution tailored to your needs.